Finally, Kotoko squad to face Accra House of Folk no Abitoja. Coach Ogum surprisingly near him said this squad was going to have Danlad Ibrahim, but unfortunately, based on Winim's medical conditions and I say training grounds report assessments na Danlad yantene drop na emunchiremu ebeba later. Me try Kotoko match news no me the reason why Danlad enka squad no ho ebebro. But so far squad yensaka no Danlad is mixing out. Yes, Danlad Ibrahim enka ho goalkeepers no as usual Frederick Asare and Poate only the two goalkeepers they've been selected for the Accra House of Folk game no. Yes, from reporter Enyumria Abitum ena mede mauno na ohe defenders na yewo Emmanuel Korte. Yes, Emmanuel Korte ejinamu okufisi na me sure so no an bebo 2 no. Yes, Nicholas Osebonsu. Yes, also me sure so bebo 3. Sharif Muhammad, Justice Blay, Prince Adasa, Nuruddin Muhammad Afano. Unfortunately, we don't have Henry Ansu available. Yes, and only the Augustine Ejapong ewum, Samuel Asamoah ewum, no the Eba Peter Amidu Aqua in the midfield with Enoch Morrison, Baba Yaya, Enoch Morrison, Baba Yaya, Eric Sergi Zeze, Intim Menu Ejinem. Then we have Michael Che Dramana, who returned from injury not too long ago. Michael Che Dramana. And the Kotoko forward, Stephen Dese Mukwala, hugely represented and likely to score for Krobia Asante Kotoko. The youngster, Yafreno, for the Black Satellite. Yes, Samuel Sapon. Yes, Bernard Samoa Sapon. Mi homeboy Bernard Master. It's now your opportunity approve. So we heavy pa Bernard Samoa and so ejinema obebobi. Kalu Atara eka home. Yeah, Kalu Atara eka home. And yawo Nicholas Mensah and so eka squad no. Kotoko penny obeda so no oye de NCC chairman national circles no chairman Kotoko national Deminyano no na washebo se Kotoko we ni a obi bieska kese so actually players no players no over to you echina House of Folk mumio money pa mi senior man be one crime Michael or say echina butu a or the results ni beba Kotoko win game na wie enti ye twen details of more e de bro.